4 tips for a smart spring cleaning routine. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video in this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning, and also you will get a bonus tip at the ending of the video. Spring is here in all its glory. Apart from the excellent weather, it brings the need for spring cleaning, which is quite important. It refreshes your home and makes it a better place to spend time at. It is true that there is a lot to spring cleaning. Plenty of tasks make this much-needed process somewhat bothersome, especially if you are dealing with it on your own and without the help of a cleaning company, for example. Still, that doesn't mean you should struggle all the way. There are a few smart ways to speed things up and make spring cleaning your home more effective than ever. Number 1. Optimize your cleaning supplies. As you are about to start cleaning, you may find that you have more cleaning supplies than you need. This is a problem since you will waste time to figure out which product to use for what. It is best to take a close look at your cleaning supplies before starting and reduce them if necessary. Since spring cleaning requires multiple tasks completed, it is a good idea to focus on multi-use supplies. In that sense, all surface cleaners work on most washable surfaces, so use them on countertops and glass. Microfiber cloths make washing and drying, so they are a must-have. Number 2. Save time by calling help. Perhaps the smartest thing you can do in regards to spring cleaning is enlisting some help. Even if you are a fan of cleaning and you have plenty of time on your hands, you are better off requesting some assistance. Whether it is from other family members or calling a cleaning company on your side, you will find that spring cleaning is better with more hands on deck. Some highly productive team tasks feature washing windows with one person doing the work on the inside, and the other one outside. Moving furniture is also best tackled by 2 and more people. Lifting heavy pieces on your own is hardly a good idea. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 3. Try to save money. When you add up the total cost of cleaning solutions, you get a large figure, which can hurt your budget. Be a little smarter when initiating your spring cleaning routine. Replace some cleaning solutions with tap water. It easily takes care of most of the grime. Before you spray with an expensive bathroom cleaner, run hot water to soften the grime. Number 4. Save yourself some effort. Don't waste your time scrubbing immediately after spraying a cleaning solution. Let it sit for some time so it can do its job. Soak the sinks before you wipe them. Drop a cleaning tablet in your toilet, as it can dissolve the bowl's surface. Thanks for staying and watching until the end of this video. Here's now your bonus tip. Shake it up. When it comes to cleaning, you can use household items in multiple ways. In that sense, a microfiber mop can be used for more than just floors, but also walls and ceilings. Brush dust with a soft bristled brush and use fabric softener sheets to clear away soap residue from glass shower doors. As you can see, there are a few ways for you to ease the hassle of spring cleaning. Make sure you use the tips to deal with the job easily. Consider the help of trained cleaning professionals such as the ones at FastKlean. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 4 things you are doing wrong during spring cleaning. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, We would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.